Master Anvil Motociclette engaged in the construction of brutal and uncompromising motorcycles. 1979 Honda CB500 Custom is typical of the project Anvil Motociclette easy, simple plus good design. Master Anvil remade Honda CB500 fork to the front of the motorcycle was a little lower. At the same time they installed new springs to compensate for reduced suspension travel. Low handlebars. Tommaselli further emphasizes the desire of the masters and goes to the fuel tank Laverda, on which is written the name of the custom Nk. Aluminum tail made by hand, and the saddle is covered with leather. Reliable engine. Honda CB500 professionals Anvil decided not to touch and just repainted it black. Of course, there are filters of zero resistance and bright white Marving exhaust system, probably with a ceramic coating. The last bar Avon tires safety mileage Mk2.